Well, you remember last month, Bank of America announced a $5 fee for customers who made as little as one debit card purchase per month. It sparked a huge customer backlash. Well, on Tuesday, Bank of America announced that that plan is dead.
Of course, Bank of America wasn't the only one. Other big banks were testing a debit card fee, and they have also decided not to move forward with it. Business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis is here with us again, along with Molly Katchpole, who started a hugely successful petition drive against Bank of America. Some folks, Molly, are crediting you actually with this change.
There you go, Mom.
But you were, mad as hell and weren't going to take it anymore.
I was mad as hell.
So wwhy did you start this petition?
I started the petition because I'm pretty much living paycheck to paycheck right now, and so another fee added on, it really bothered me. I knew that other people would feel the same way, so I went to change.org. I started the petition, and I knew it would catch fire, and it did.
300,000 people. All 50 states.
Yeah, I was going to say, catching fire, or it's an inferno. Did you realize,
Yeah.
I mean, did you think, okay, catch fire, one thing, but this really took off?
I know, it did. I was expecting it to get a lot of response. It grew so quickly, I almost couldn't keep up with it. And I wasn't expecting this end victory, this result. I'm excited about it.
Right.
Yeah.
Obviously.
You actually left Bank of America in all of this. You went to a community bank where you say you're going to stay. But Bank of America contacted you at one point. What did they say?
They were trying to explain the fee. They said that they were doing it because they were trying to be more transparent with their fees, which I understand, but it doesn't really explain this new fee. It's not like this fee had been lurking in the background of your bank account, and all of a sudden they were telling you about it.
So when they're trying to explain the fee to you, did you tell them, look, I'm 22, I have 2 part-time jobs, I'm working paycheck to paycheck, and this is another $60, that
I did.
I don't feel like having to dole out annually?
I did, and I feel like they didn't really care about that. I also feel like they didn't really take those kinds of stories into account when they announced the fee.
But now they know. Rebecca, how rare is something like this where the little person says, you know what, I'm going to take on a big old Bank of America or some other conglomerate, big corporation, and they're able to kind of
the little person becomes very big when they take to the internet like Molly did, and also when people like Senator Dick Durbin come out and say, vote with your feet. When Jay Leno comes out and makes this a publicity thing for Bank of America, bad publicity thing, they say in their statement that they listened. That's the politically correct way of saying it. Yeah. We listened to our customers. There is no fee now. There will not be a fee in the future. That's according to Bank of America.
And that's at most major banks too, which had planned on doing this or announced that they were trying it out. Realistically, though, as they told Molly, hey, we're just trying to be more transparent with our fees. Things cost us money. Are they going to hit us with a fee of $5 or something else?
It's probably going to happen in another place, maybe not in the $5 level, because when you see a $5 fee, that's really transparent. You see it completely. But when you get nickel and dimed here and there, that's really what happens primarily. And that's probably what will be happening more in the future, too.
How about other banks? Did they all reverse their decision, or are there still some banks?
Bank of America is really one of the last ones to market that is the last one to reverse the position, but SunTrust, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, lastly Regions, they have all reversed their decision along with Bank of America.
We talked when this came out too. One of the things which is frustrating for a lot of consumers, but we're so used to getting things for free. If you have direct debit, you get free checking, you get all these other things. Are all of those free things also essentially going away? Because it feels that way.
In many places they are, but you went to a credit union, right?
I went to a
community bank. Okay, well, community banks and credit unions are some of the last places that are still offering these things for free. So people, we've talked about this before, people who want all of these things for free, check with the community bank, check with credit unions, because they're often the places that still offer them.
Molly, anything else that ticks you off that you want to take on?
I know, well, there's plenty, but I'll keep that at bay for now.
Save it for another petition. Nice job. Thank you for coming
Great to have you here. Appreciate your time.